All set for the grade one, Ruidoso Futurity. They're running. Good break for Pajarita Cita at the rail. Going with that one, Stole the Angel. Then it's Crash Cartel on the far side. Jessa Star trying to get going. PJ Chicken Black. Pajarita Cita. Here comes Crash Cartel and Jessa Star. And PJ Chicken Black suddenly explodes. PJ Chicken Black wins the Ruidoso Futurity. Close between Crash Cartel and Jessa Star for second and third. We're all set for the grade one, Ruidoso Derby. Ochoa restless. Settling him down. They're running. Feature Mr. Bojangles bob a little at the start is Mighty Famous Vic, and to the outside Dashing Vike getting the best break. And now here comes Dashing Spartacus, and here comes Dashing Spartacus inside as Executive Brass now, and it Bill's last. Executive Brass charging. Executive Brass gonna win. Executive Brass wins the Ruidoso Derby from Dashing Vike, far side RC Black Mamba, and close for fourth. In. All set for the grade one, Rainbow Futurity. Restless Eye got it going on. Settling down. They're running. I got it going on, and Jessa Star came away a step slow. Vancouver Moon broke beautifully. Going with her is Carter's Cookie. Far side drifting out. Nellie Delaney looks like it may have bumped into Feature Hero, having trouble, but it is Vancouver Moon and Carter's Cookie. Carter's Cookie getting the better of Vancouver Moon. Carter's Cookie to win the Rainbow Futurity from Vancouver Moon. Then Blaze Carver and Feature Hero. They're all set for the grade one, Rainbow Derby. They're running. Beautiful break. Just 'Cause I Can fast. And inside that Feature Mr. Who, then Feature Mr. Bojangles. Here comes Tres Seis Nueve. Ochoa's got to get going. Tres Seis Nueve. Feature Mr. Bojangles down at the rails. Priceless Feature. Tres Seis Nueve. Here comes Ochoa with a powerhouse run. Ochoa, I think, got up. Priceless Feature was right to the inside. Then Jess Lips and Tres Seis Nueve was fading. That one's close, but I do believe Ochoa. That's tight. Ochoa to the outside. Priceless Feature to the inside in the Rainbow Derby.
They're all in the gate. And away they go in the All-American Derby. And the one who came away the best was Bill's Last. Ochoa's right alongside Bill's Last. Testing the ice, is drifting out, but he begins to close in as well. Just Feature Me Quick has a chance, but Ochoa begins to extend his stride on the far outside. And Ochoa's coming home powerfully here. It was Stoley's winner at one time. It was Refrigerator. But now Ochoa, the richest quarter horse ever, wins the All-American Derby. A tight photo for second between He's Our Secret and Just Feature Me Quick. But Ochoa, the richest quarter horse of all time to take the All-American Derby, surpassing Stoley's winner and Refrigerator. And away they go in the All-American Futurity, and a beautiful start for One Dashing Eagle. Aha Moment also came away well. Sudden Thoughts from down on the inside. Native T Rose, BP Cartel's Alibi is also right there, but it's One Dashing Eagle. Full of run for Ramon Sanchez. To the extreme outside comes Aha Moment. A huge effort from Sudden Thoughts down on the inside, but the Ed Burke Million winner, One Dashing Eagle, is going to crush him here in the All-American Futurity. Sudden Thoughts a good second. Aha Moment finishing third.